Manicure it's important because it's provide a deep clean of your nails as well as ensuring that they look attractive. It is an important part of positive nail health as well as both hands go through a lot on daily basis. It's a process of peeling and shaping free edge of nails, pushing and clipping any non-living tissue. It's a treatment with various liquid, massaging on hands and the application of fingernail polish. So now the question is, how often should we get a manicure? According to manicure professionals, manicure should be done after 2 to 3 weeks. However, taking care of your nails, manicure is a great way to keep your nail in a good condition between trip to the salon. After manicure, hands will look and feel great, your stress will go down and your blood circulation will increase. So let's now see how many types of manicures are there. First is basic manicure. Basic manicure start off by soaking your hands in a warm soapy water to soothe and soften dead skin cells. Then the nail tip will file and buff. Clean the cuticle and massage your hands with hand cream. Painting the base coat, color and top coat is next. Then a cuticle oil is applied. A basic manicure takes up 30 minutes and it can last anywhere up to 7 days. The polish can remove with nail polish remover. So now the question is, does it damage the nail? So the answer is no. A basic manicure can go a long way in helping to revive your nails, hydrating them and keeping good nail health in trimming your nails cuticle regularly. Second is French manicure. A French manicure is a manicure that has sheer pink or beige tone with a white polish tip on each nail. A French manicure can take a 45 minutes to an hour. It's done by servicing a basic manicure and applying a sheer pink or beige tone and white polish tip on each nail. A French manicure can last up to 2 to 3 weeks if done in gel or up to 7 days done in regular polish. It can be removed with acetone if in gel or with nail polish remover if done in regular polish. It should not affect nail health if done and removed by professional technician. Gel manicure. A gel manicure includes the same basic manicure process but with the addition of a gel polish cured under UV light twice. Then the top coat is applied cured the nail. Gel manicure takes long. One color gel manicure take up 45 minutes. It can last everywhere between 2 to 3 weeks. A gel manicure should not affect nail health if done and removed by professional technician. Client risks damaging their nails when they peel, chip or lift the gel polish as they are removing it properly. Reverse French manicure. Reverse French manicure is a reverse take on classic French and highlighting the lower part of your nail, which is known as half moon. Reverse French manicure takes up 45 minutes to an hour. It's done by servicing a basic manicure, applying color of choice and highlighting the half moon of the nail. It can last up to 3 weeks if done in gel or up to 7 days if done in polish. Reverse French manicure can be removed with acetone if in gel or with the nail polish remover if done in polish. So now the question is, does it damage the nail? It should not affect the nail health if done and removed by professional technician. Paraffin manicure. Paraffin manicure is your nail treatment which is hydrate the skin. A paraffin manicure is known for its treatment of extremely dry skin. The heat of the wax opens the pores and increase blood circulation to the hands. A paraffin treatment can also temporarily allow its sore muscles and joints. Paraffin manicure takes about 50 minutes. Now the question is, how does it done? So first you heat up wax, then dip the hands in the wax and wait for about 20 to 30 minutes. After that you peel the wax off and massage a lotion or cream into hands. It lasts from 1 to 2 weeks. It does not damage your nails. Another one is acrylic manicure. An acrylic overlay is the combination of a liquid monomer and powder polymer that create a hard protective layer over your natural nail. An acrylic overlay manicure can take up to 30 minutes to an hour. So now the question is, how does it done? Acrylic manicure has the same step as well as gel manicure, but with the use of liquid monomer and powder polymer to build over the natural nail, and is then coated with polish and cured with UV light should the client get a gel manicure on the top of Carnesh explains. An acrylic overlay can last up 2 to 3 weeks. You can remove it with acrylic overlay soaked with of acetone. So now the question is, does it damage your nail? So the answer is, if it's done and removed by professional technician, so it will not damage your nails. American manicure. This is a simple nail design mimicking your natural nails using flesh or cream or colored base and a nude or off-white tip. An American manicure can take up to 45 minutes to an hour. It's done with the nails are filled and buffed, cuticles are cleaned, and then a base coat, usually a flesh or cream color, is applied. Then nail tips are painted with a light or white nail polish, top coat and cuticle oil. It can last up to 2 weeks. You can remove it, soak it off. So now the question is, how does it affect the nail health? It will only get damaged if pedicure isn't performed by a professional nail technicians. Mirror manicure. If you are the one who is fond of metallic nail polish, mirror manicure is the thing for you. If basically involve applying a coat of black nail polish as a base coat and then adding some mirror powder to it. This powder will help to give your nails a glossy look, just look like mirror. A mirror manicure can be last up 3 weeks. Salic manicure. Salic manicure is a half nail polish, half gel, and can be applied similarly to nail polish on your natural nail. It can cure through UV lighting. A salic manicure can take up 45 minutes. It follows the same step as a gel manicure. A salic manicure can last up to 3 weeks. It can be removed with acetone. You can risk damaging your nails if you peel or remove product incorrectly. Vinylux manicure. If you like your nail polish to change as often as your mood, Vinylux is the best option for you because it's only lasts for about a week. It's applied just like nail polish with no base coat necessary. Once Vinylux adhered to the nail, it's form a vinyl-like texture that won't chip like regular nail polish. The top coat placed over it's designed to become more durable as it's exposed to natural sunlight, making it even lessly like to chip. With an 8 to 10 minute dry time, Vinylux doesn't set instantaneously like gel and salic nails, but still dry fairly and quickly. It costs about as much as regular nail polish can be removed with standard nail polish remover. Hotstone manicure. A hotstone manicure is a therapeutic manicure. It's required use of hotstone during service of basic manicure with warm stone, nourishing oil and therapeutic massage. A basic manicure service with a hotstone is a 50-minute service. A hotstone manicure is a treatment completed before applying gel or polish and includes warm stone, exfoliation, nourishing oil and therapeutic massage. If you can take off the hot stone and clean off excess oil on the hand, it doesn't damage the nail. A hot stone manicure is therapeutic service that promote relief and restorative treatment to the hands. Brazilian manicure. The surrounding skin around the nail is purposely coated with a clear base coat and then polished shade of choice, followed by removing excess polish with an orange wood stick and acetone soaked cotton ball. This is random way of painting polish is done so that it sits under the cuticles and make for longer lasting manicure. Removing outer layer of the cuticle is often considered controversial because that extra skin is there no prevent bacteria from getting into your nails. If you remove the nail fold, you risk allowing bacteria under the skin and into nail matrix that could lead to possible inflammation and infection. Dip powder manicure. A dip powder manicure falls between a regular mani and fake acrylic nail. Instead of using UV rays to seal your nail polish, the color comes from a pigmented powder It takes long around 40 minutes. A base coat is applied to the nail, then the nail is dipped into powder and sealed with a top coat. Does it last about 3 weeks, and for remove you can soak it off. It doesn't damage the nail. So guys, this is full information about types,